watching. If this is your first time here, I have a Project Civic that I'm working on. I also have a Project CB Accord and have a beautiful WRX. Please smash that like button, hit the subscribe. Also, if you're into unboxings and installs and stuff like that, this channel's here for you. So as you can see, this is a 96 through 2000 Civic, and I have the EX cluster in there. And it's kind of ugly. I really don't like it. At least it's not the automatic one. We got a manual, real deal one. But I am going to eventually do a motor swap on this, and I thought it'd be really exciting to change out the cluster. As you guys know, finding like a Spoon one or a Mugen one are damn near impossible nowadays. But I did happen to find a really cool one that wasn't an SI or an SIR. Check this out. Bam! There we go. Yes, sir. Type-R. Yes, we will be revving to 10 grand soon, son. So today's order of business is going to be to put in the Type-R cluster. It should not be too hard. I watched a few videos on it, and it's like these 2 bolts and 4 bolts behind it, and we got to plug it in, make sure everything works. I'm not too concerned about the SRS because I'm going to eventually take the steering wheel out. But let's go ahead and dive into it. There's just kind of like some snap rings in here. I'm just going to pop them out. They're pretty delicate, but we'll find out how we can do. And it's just those 2 bolts pretty much holding it in. There you go, really easy. Okay, now we have it out. You can see that there's 1 bolt up there, 1 up there, 1 down there, and 1 down there. So let's go ahead and take those out, and we'll just pop this out, and we'll be really delicate with it because there is wiring and clips behind there. All right, once you got the 4 screws out, it's gonna be 4 of them like that. If it's never been touched before, they should all be matching. They're really easy to take out, and then we're just gonna pull this out really nice and easy. And then there's 2 plugs right here on top, blue ones. And then there might be an SRS one that's connected. It might not be though either because the light's on. There we go, guys. So these are plugged up. So obviously I won't be using those. So I don't even have the adapter in there to even plug them in. All the bulb locations look the same. There's one right there, there's that. Same things on top. So essentially it's just these that look a little bit different, and this is obviously different green, and I mean it's a Type-R cluster, so. But real Honda. Oh, look at that. Let's go ahead and snap this bad boy in. This is kind of exciting. Yes, sir. Boys, we're officially Type-R. Woo-wee! This is gonna be nice. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, okay. Those turned on, that's a good sign. That one lights up. That one lights up. Oh. 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 Too excited. Oh, the miles per hour works pretty good. Look at that, dude. This is sweet. I took a quick zoom around the blocks. Obviously, it's not D-Series isn't too exciting. Anyway, so to finish up, I just want to show you guys. So actually, the brake on the cluster, the brake light, the emergency brake light works. Super cool. The seatbelt light works. Super freaking cool. And both of the turn signal lights, one of them's out, so it's gonna blink fast, but they both, oh, this is actually, okay, never mind. Those both work. The tank, the fuel works. The heat thing works. The speedometer works, which is stupid cool. Obviously you can see it's in kilometers, but who gives a shit? And then the RPMs obviously work, as you saw. I'm so excited. This is just a little tidbit of what's gonna happen to this Project Civic 2. I was driving it around and it kind of needs we need something on the front end. It's kind of loose, so we're gonna figure all that out. But thank you for watching, guys. So much more to come. Smash that thumbs up button, really help. Hit the subscribe button. Any comments or suggestions below that you guys want to talk about, hit me up. I'm here for you. This is Mr. Robert. I'll talk to you later. Bye.